have seen
Mhm.
that you take classes on EnglishYaari platform. And
Yes, yes,
I
yes.
just want that you give a little feedback about EnglishYaari if the learners they want to join somewhere, any platform, any tutors. So is it really helpful? Because you have been doing it, it means it is helpful. So how it is helpful and how much they should trust and believe on these platforms like Clapping Go, EnglishYaari. You have been taking classes on EnglishYaari, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, yes. I have been taking classes on English Yari. I started. I used to take sessions on English Yari platform, but in between I stopped because I felt first I need to read a lot. I should read. I should write. I should consume content. I wanted to take a break, so I took a break in between around 6 months. Then
Mhm,
I learned whatever I could learn by my own. I
mhm,
learned.
mhm.
Then I felt I should again join English Yari sessions because somewhere I was feeling I need feedback if I'm improving or not. So because of feedback, I joined again, and I am practicing with expert tutors. So now I feel I am aspiring to be an advanced speaker. So if I am having sessions with expert tutors, so definitely I'm going to learn in each and every session. But with learners, we can learn a lot, but we cannot learn as we can learn with expert tutor, because they are going to give you feedback, they are going to correct you, and you are also aware about that. They are watching you. If you are going to make mistake, they will catch your mistake. So that is why I have joined. And people who are watching this video, if they want to join any platform, definitely 101% they should join. At least one session in a week is enough. They can get a
Hmm.
feedback, uh, constructive feedback, specifically where you are lacking,
Hmm.
and
Right,
you
right,
they will
right.
improve. And if the platform is English Yari, so definitely they should join,
But
because I on English Yari I can see there are tutors are very amazing. They have a friendly nature, so you can learn, you can laugh, and so many things you can do throughout the session. So they can 101% they should join and they can learn from them.
this
So
question
I
I
also
actually asked that because many times learners they ask, ma'am, where shall I go? Where shall I join? What is
hmm,
very helpful? Do
one or
you know?
two
I
session.
haven't joined any such platform, so I have no idea. So I
Hmm,
thought you are the right person to answer this question. And then they
yes,
can understand that yes, these platforms are
yes,
useful, and feedback as the best part is feedback, because when you speak
feedback,
yourself
yes.
and you don't get to know that where how many places you made mistake, so there are people
Hmm,
those who can correct you, they can give you substitute words, synonyms,
right.
other words, so you can make your English better and better every day.
Yes, and you can compare here. Means
Mhm.
there are many YouTubers. You can compare those people who are taking session, who are attending session with tutors. You can see the level. They are speaking very great English now.
Mhm.
But people who are already YouTuber, they have large audience, but still they are not good at pronunciation. They are
Right.
not improving. Still, they are uploading videos with co-learners, uploading with co-learners. They are not improving. Even they have I like whenever I get free time, I start watching some YouTubers videos. So I feel they are making same mistakes since 1 year. Why? Because they are not joining any sessions with tutors. If they will join with any tutor, so
Mhm.
tutor will going to correct them, and they
Mhm.
are not going to make same mistake. So for that, I think they should join on a platform where they can get feedback, or people can like tutor can correct them, or they can learn a lot. Their journey will become easier.
Thank you so much for sharing this knowledge,
Yes,
this idea, because it is important. People must know.
yes, it is important.
It is important if you are in the journey of learning and you want to become fluent very fast. So somewhere just
Yeah.
fluency is not required. Fluent you can become,
Hmm.
you can speak broken English very fast and you feel that it is fluency. But
Hmm.
fluency is not without accuracy. Fluency means you speak
Right.
something
Accuracy.
accurately.
Yeah.
Yeah, then it is
Hmm.
fine. So if you want to become a great speaker, good speaker, and somewhere at least above intermediate level, you need some feedback, and then you can
Hmm.
certainly, your efforts are always like that is
Right.
very important. Tutors
Right.
can't do alone everything. You have to also put in
Hmm.
your efforts. Okay, Priyanka, it was a
Yes.
lovely session, lovely sharing.
Yes, same here. And thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your insight on this and raising this topic, English Yari topic. It is really it would be really helpful for learner who are watching this because they are in confusion.
That's the reason I asked you, because
Yeah.
when I read your message, this was only the question in my mind that I would ask Priyanka about, because
Mm.
you are the one, you have joined that platform, so nobody
Yeah.
else can describe that platform better than you. So thank you so much
Yeah.
for describing about
Okay, then
it.
thank you so much,
Okay,
ma'am.
then bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Yes. Have a
Good
great
night.
night. You too.
Okay,
Yes. Okay, bye-bye.
bye bye bye.